There's a lot of them around. Now, if you look on the side, do y'all notice the color difference? Yeah, they have a white underneath them, so they're dark on top. There's a clear white part on its belly. It's like a cream color. That's a really good indicator that these are what we call common dolphins. Common not because there's a lot of them, but they can live in many parts of the world. So we have plentiful common dolphins. You can already see the size difference compared to the bottlenose dolphin. I said bottlenose dolphins grow around 10 to 12 feet long. A common dolphin can grow around 6 to 8.5 feet long. Now if you see two dolphins swimming really close to each other, like the ones over here, ooh, we got a little baby. So yeah, we have baby dolphins in this pod. Dolphins are mammals just like our whale friends. And what do mammals do? We got tail surfer and a breacher doing lots of acrobatics today at our 12 o'clock. Just take a look at this. I haven't seen this in a while.
Oh, look, they're doing it in the back too. Ryan, look.
And dolphins are mammals, so they have to come up and breathe air every so often. They also still drink milk from their mom, so they gotta stay close to mom when they're young, 'cause that's their first meal. I'm getting lots of activity. Yeah, I haven't seen this in a long time, y'all. Doing backflips in the water, or out of the water. Now why they do all these acrobatics, I'm not exactly sure, but sometimes it does help them speed up a little bit to catch their food. As we said many times before, dolphins are really playful, curious, and athletic. You know, over here on our 9 o'clock direction, see some of them swimming upside down.
There's one so close to us because I heard it splash so loud. It was like it felt like it was like right there. This way they be chilling now.
And besides being really fast in the water and agile, the color does help them a lot. You can kind of see it, especially if you have polarized glasses, so sunglasses. A dark top and a light bottom is used in a lot of animals. It's called counter shading. You can find it on many things in the world. Even humans use it in many cases. But here to look at a bird or another animal or dolphins here, when we're on top of the dolphin and we look down on them into the water, the deep waters, they just look like dark spots. And then when we're underneath the dolphin and we look up towards their belly in the sunlight, they look like a bright spot. So there's a way for them to hide from their prey so they can sneak up on them, or they can avoid their predators, like big sharks or even the orca that hardly comes around this area. Got a lot of activity over here on our 10 o'clock. We're going to take a look over here, see what these dolphins are doing.
Yeah, I see it. That probably looks. If I was on the airplane, I would be looking down at those dolphins.
You guys see some of the babies? Oh my god.
are pretty clear today. You might be able to see what the dolphins are going after. This might be part of a bigger pod. So earlier we saw bottlenose dolphins. I have seen bottlenose and common dolphins hunt together. But all of our dolphin friends here can do a really cool thing called echolocation. You may have heard of this in bats, for example. But they make noises in the water, and then the noise will travel and bounce off of things in the distance. This will then bounce back to the dolphin, and from that the dolphin can find things around them, mostly food. Now, a lot of ocean animals can't really do echolocation. For example, I did say to look out for birds. Currently we don't see a lot of birds, but birds do follow dolphins around because of how good dolphins are at finding food. You'll also find other animals with dolphins, so occasionally, if we hang out with this pod for long enough, you can even find things like sea lions would be in this pod, and then you can find other kinds of whales. You can also find the occasional shark or swordfish, and sometimes even turtles like to hang out with dolphins. Dolphins are used as an indicator because of their really good hunting ability. Now, another hunting behavior that we can currently observe, you notice that this pod is really spread out, like they're all the way down to 12 o'clock. You can see them splashing from half a mile away. The common dolphins like to spread their pod out far and wide, and then communicating with each other, they're gonna corral, they're gonna gather all the food into one area, and then they'll start eating. This is a type of bubble netting.
I saw the dolphin and not shark back when I was on the way. It was just trying to show us where all the dolphins were. So many. I think it's just all diving right next to them.
It's not uncommon to find these